In this video, we are going to see a part implementation of an approach for automating cross-browser UI testing. The solution primarily involves leveraging on various image processing libraries for optical character recognition, image manipulation, pixel attribute identification, mouse action, and dynamic hyperlink navigation checks, to name a few. We have customized and added various computer vision, OCR, and Python libraries to ATF, which is a Mindtree in-house test automation framework built using TCL/TK. In this demo, we are going to execute a simple test case in which we verify the appropriateness of the position of login window with respect to a company logo. We will run this test case in IE6 and Safari 4 browsers. It can be seen from the execution of the test case that the login window is positioned at the top in Safari while it is at the center in IE. As for the web page template, the test case fails in Safari while it passes in IE. We have an image repository which consists of reference images like login window and logo. Using the computer vision libraries, we get the region coordinates of the logo and the login window. Then we calculate the distance between the logo and the login window in both the browsers. Referring to a test case specific configuration file for tolerance value, we log the test result based on whether the actual distance is within the tolerance limits. We can see at the end of the test case execution the test results in terms of summary report and detailed logs for all test steps. All actions required for application navigation, for example, entering username in the login frame, clicking on submit button, are done purely through image recognition. Thus, apart from UI validation, we can use this approach for functional testing as well in places where popular functional test tools fail to identify the application widgets and navigate using them. As we know, there is no single silver bullet for all challenges. Limitations in this approach include hit on performance due to pixel level operations like raster scanning of page regions, capturing progressive screenshots, and video frame processing. We are doing further research for optimizing the entire process.